What bitch was that? Who all was it?
I don't know. Probably TIANA. It might be a
Tell me again when I get on the phone. Because I'm about to go fucking off. I'm sick of it. This was the third goddamn time in like 5-10 minutes. Why am I calling? So I can document them ignoring me and or blocking me after I've called. They were going to. Window, throwing rocks, cussing, screaming, harassing, and everything else under the sun in just the last 10 minutes. Now, there's no reason on God's green earth why I should have 2 to 3 to 500 videos of the same crap that goes on nonstop, and you people have yet to lift a damn finger to do anything about this. I'm sick of it. Back again. The only reason they didn't do anything is because they plainly stuck their goddamn face in my window, looked, and saw the camera in my hand.